Everyone, myself Muhammad Ibrahim Nitore. Today we will discuss about the diploma second year subject, that is heavy engineering. We first of all see the first unit overview to heavy engineering. First of all, overview to heavy engineering. The transport of goods, peoples can be transported through airways, railways, and waterways. The transportation of peoples and goods are through road is economical as considered to airways and other transportation. First of all, we will see the importance of road. In the importance of road plays a vital role in the speedy, easy and economical point of view. And second, economic growth of trade. Third, communication in hilly areas. Fourth, agriculture transportation. Fifth, help in price stabilization. Sixth, provide employment opportunities. And seventh, they act as a feeder to airways, railways and waterways. First, speedy and easy economical point of view. Roads play a vital role in the transportation of goods, peoples and materials or the manufactured product. Road attach village to city, city to country, or road is a map, or road is a distribution system in a village to city, city to country. With the help of road, we can transport the vegetables or any materials easily in a or economical point of view. In second point, economic growth of trade. In economical growth of trade, for example, the Flipkart, Amazon, they provides their facility as good as possible because of road. If road facilities are not available in this situation, the Flipkart and this all platforms are failed. Because of road, he is easily provided the transportation from manufacturer to the door-to-door facility or to the customer. In the communication in hilly areas or in the remote sensing areas, with the help of road we can go or access easily. Because of in hilly areas, airways will not possible easily or other transportation. In fourth point, agriculture transportation, we know the India is depends upon agriculture, or the backbone of India is the agriculture is the backbone of India. With the help of agriculture, there are so many products will be transported or exported to other countries. Before these, the villages is attached to city, city to country. If roads are not provided, then the transportation or the exportation will be failed. So, in fifth point, help in price stabilization. With the help of, in second, we know the with the help of road, we can reduce the price stabilization. If the manufacturer is in other country or in other city, as and the product delivered to Solapur or any other, the distance will be shortest, then the price will be stabilized. If the distance will be long, then the price or the transportation cost will be increases. So automatically the price stabilization also increases. In sixth point, provide employment opportunities. For example, Flipkart, Amazon, with the help of this platform, they are running smoothly. So they provide opportunities to employments or employment opportunities. In seventh point, they act as a feeder to airways, railways and waterways. For aeroplane takeoff, they are running situation, the road is required. For also in waterways, up to the dockyards, roads provides the transportation facilities with the help of trucks or other moving materials. So in these importance, there are these seven importance of road. Now we will go through the second point, scope of heavy engineering. First of all, heavy engineering is a branch of transportation which deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the road. And second, development and planning and location. Third, traffic management, drainage of roads, fourth one. Fifth one, environment and social impacts. Sixth one, improved method of construction. What? Heavy engineering deals with the design, construction and maintenance. The road should be designed shortest, the road should be, the alignment should be selected as shortest as possible. Alignment means it is the center line of the road which connects the village to city, city to country. Or alignment is the center line, or we should be selected as far as possible. It should go through the hilly areas, natural areas. All these points should be considered before designing and the planning. And in the design, construction, maintenance point of view, road play a vital role. If the construction will be very well, then maintenance cost will be reduced in future. In second point, development and planning and location point of view, alignment plays a very vital role. In to joining village to city, city to country. In third point, traffic management point of view. If the alignment should be not proper way, in a proper way, then traffic management will be failed. The traffic will be flow smoothly without any obstruction. So we will design the road as per the requirement of the public, as per requirement of the government, and as per requirement of the nature. In third point, drainage of road for hilly areas on other and in roads or in a city. We design the drainage in future point of view, or in the future preference we will take, or the records will be taken from the government or any other, then study, then we design the roads as per the smoothly point of view. So in future the environmental effects or in any other drawbacks or any other failure should not be done. In fifth point, environmental and social impact point of view, the road should be pass through hilly areas, natural areas, so it should be feeling the passenger for good as possible to seeing the natural natures or images. In sixth point, improve method of construction. In day-to-day life, we know the deals with the transportation. The method of construction and the new inventions are in the field. So with the help of new construction or new method, we design the roads in a proper way. In today's session, we will discuss about the importance of road and scope of highway engineering. So thank you everyone.